this is Daddy's truck. This is a little gauge I got over here. Tells you a little something. Cool little shit right there. My navigation system. Put the address entries. This is where I'm at right now. Touchscreen radio. This is a good song, actually. This got that DVD player in it. Oh shit. Got a TV back here too. Pull the TV down. Put the radio back in.
All-time favorites.
Press these buttons, it folds the seats down. And press the middle button. Opens the back hatch. It's pretty dope. It's fucking 107 degrees out. It's pretty crazy. She also has a backup camera. Oh shit. This is it's pretty dope. This is my keychain buckle. Plug the fucking key into that shit. Oh shit, no. Then you clip that out to your pants. That shit is tight. My Taco Bell. My seats. This is my baby right here. Woo!